Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. This is the December 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I will be diving into this bad boy, taking out the products, talking about them, and seeing what I got. If anyone's interested, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Hi everyone, I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. Today's unboxing video is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and if anyone doesn't already know, this here is a beauty subscription that contains 5 full-size products. The price recently went up. It's $28 a month. You do, but only if you pay attention to your calendar and or emails. I get to select 3 of the 5 products. Guess what? I didn't do that this month. So this bag is full on. I have no clue. So let's put Ipsy to the test. Did they or did they not pay attention to my beauty profile? Okay, look at this. That rarely happens, where all the products come already in the bag. This is kind of a nudie, kind of off pink, peachy, nudie shade. Perfect lip color for me with some little golden stars. It's very thin polyester. But we aren't here for the bag. We're here for what's in the bag. All right, so there's a card that tells you nothing. Is there a theme? 'Tis the season to treat yourself. Yes. Oh, 2022 beauty horoscopes. Let's see what they have to say about the Sagittarius. Wear something you think is wild and become the trendsetter you are. It is a 22 horoscope, so maybe a year from now, I'm going to be a trendsetter. All right, first item. What is this? Ooh, I see the word ELEMIS. Shishi brand. This is a peptide eye recovery cream. Yes. Ooh, look at that fancy packaging. Do you have one of those cool little... cool to the, no, squeezy tube. Let's see. All right, it's right there. Feels nice. It has that ELEMIS skincare scent. I can't just describe it, but if you've ever opened, smelled, touched a skincare product from ELEMIS, it's like a spa, really clean, good ingredient smell. Yes. Okay. Next item. What is this? Okay, so we have something from DRAGUN Beauty, and this is a DragunWing liquid eyeliner. Well, that is quite on trend. This is in the shade Blackout. I say quite on trend because A, most beauty subscription boxes come with a liquid eyeliner, and B, my December boxy charm had a liquid eyeliner. If you missed that unboxing video, I will link it in the eye above. And why? The lighter the product, the harder it is to get out of a box. There we go. All right, so that is what she looks like. Ooh, it has a roller ball, which I enjoy. And it looks to be felt tip. Let's do a little swatch. Oh wait, no. I stand corrected. I think it's a brush tip. Yes, look, you can get very, very, very fine lines. Not that I'm a good drawer, but okay, let's let those sit for a couple of minutes and then I'll do my old smudge test. To be fair, before I do the smudge test, does it claim that it's smudge proof? What does this say? Glide precision tip applicator to create your desired DragunWing. Shake well before use. No claims on at least the back of the box. Have I stalled long enough? All right, let's take her for a spin. That is not perfection, but to be fair, I pressed really hard and it's, yeah, I've seen worse, put it that way. All right, next item. Ooh, this feels heavy and like a palette. What are you? Ooh, pick up lighting. We have from Shades by SHAN, a bronzer. Never heard of the brand Shades by SHAN. And, ooh, it does come with a mirror. My little sound effect, ooh, is because it's quite warm. I love getting bronzers and contours in boxes because it doesn't happen that often. I don't even want to swatch it because it's dark-ish and a little just too warm toned. So I'm going to set this aside and determine what I want to do with that product. All right, next item. What is this? Interesting packaging. This is from UOMA Beauty, and it's Badass Icon. I don't know what this is. It's in the shade Maya. It feels hefty and taller, but I'm gonna guess it's a lip product. Watch it be something completely different. What are you? Oh, no, it's a lip product. Ooh, that shade is beautiful, but not for me. Wait a second. Look at the actual shade and look at that. Looks like it's an orangey red, and that looks like a nude. It still may not work for me, but it's nothing like the color on the bottom there. I still want to swatch you. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to swatch, and I'm going to put it on my mouth, and we're going to go like this so that I can act that I didn't ruin it for someone else. And I have a feeling, yes. I don't know about you, but there's something about a magnetic closure that just gets me every time. Okay, I am super glad I swatched it. It is a tad darker than I normally wear, but it is more of a dusty rose. It looks even swatched slightly different than what's in the tube. Yes, I'm already sporting lip, but let's give this one a try. I like it. Not too dark. Now, it could be because I had a lighter product underneath, but honestly, that's how I roll when it comes to lip products. I shove like 3 to 4 on until I get a good color. Awesome. So glad I was brave and decided to give this one a try. All right, and the last item feels heavy in a weird shape. Ooh, let me take it out of the bubble wrap. What is this? All right, so we have from a brand I'm not familiar with called Clarity, and this is the Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Ooh, and this is 30 ml. Are you? Oh, okay. It's safety sealed with like plastic around the top. I have way too many open products at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait until the time comes to try a new one. All right, since I wasn't able to choose the products, I'm really not that disappointed. Let's recap what came in this box. So we got a Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum, an eye recovery peptide cream from ELEMIS, a bullet lipstick from UOMA, a liquid eyeliner from Dragun Beauty, and a bronzer. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, wow, I'm impressed. I honestly thought, I was so bummed when I missed the selection day. And sometimes even when I select the products, it's like, ugh, the choices weren't great. I got 3 makeup items and 2 skincare. I love eye creams, and an eye cream from a bougie, well-known brand. Yes, please. And who can't use a serum? So let's take a look and see what the card And by card, I mean the online app says that these products cost. Shut up. This serum is $72. All right, so the price increase of the bag covered by one item. Holy cow. The eyeliner is $18. Yeah, well, actually, I don't want to say this is inexpensive, but for an ELEMIS product, it's only $49. I say only jokingly, because eye creams, even from unknown brands, can be pricey. So for an ELEMIS eye cream, that ain't too shabby. The bronzer is $18. The lipstick is $24, which for me is pricey, but good for a subscription bag. All right, what are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total. This was totally worth the $28 in my opinion. My only pseudo complaint, I don't say it's a complaint, is the bronzer, which I would love to get a bronzer. It just seems a little too dark for me and just a little too warm toned. I so want to swatch it. Should I swatch it? If I swatch it and then never use it, that's such a waste. Someone leave me a comment. If I were to swatch something and never use it, is that appropriate for a giveaway? Using alcohol to clean? I don't know. How do you feel if I were to swatch it via taking like a Q-tip? I don't know. That just seems crazy cheesy. Let me know. If I ever put something in a giveaway that was swatched via a Q-tip or something, is that acceptable or just no way, ma'am? All right. Speaking of giveaways, I am close to hitting 700. So make sure you are subscribed, a resident of the U.S., you like the video, and leave a comment, and you will be entered. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment. All of those things that you hear us YouTubers, like I'm a YouTuber, that people who post videos say, it really helps with the channel getting put out onto the YouTube via their algorithm to get more people to discover your channel. It really does help. All right. Thanks, everyone.